السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔
وعلیکم السلام ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ۔
نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم، أما بعد، أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم، بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، والعصر إن الإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات وتواصوا بالحق وتواصوا بالصبر، صدق الله العظيم۔ Dear audience, on this auspicious occasion, I would like to deliver a brief speech on the topic of Independence Day. Today, we stand together not just to celebrate a date on the calendar, but to honor the blood, sweat, and dream that built this nation. Independence was never a gift. It was fought for with unyielding courage, with fists raised high against the impossible. It was cry of countless souls who believed that independence is our birthright and no force on this earth could change their spirit. Being a student of this Mudrissa, if I do not mention the important role of Mudrissa in freedom movements against the British rule, then it would be a great injustice. So let us describe the historical fact that before the birth of Mahatma Gandhi ji, the well-known Mudrissa Darul Uloom Deoband was established to prepare the freedom fighters against the British rule. This is still existing in Saharanpur, Uttar Pradesh. The scholars of Darul Uloom Deoband, including Maulana Mahmud Hassan, also known as Sheikhul Hind, were at the Reshmi Rumal Tehreek, a daring plan to throw out the British rule. Let us not forget Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, a scholar, journalist, and leader of Khilafat movement. At the end of his speech, we also remember our thousands of Indians who belonging to different religions and different corners of our country, who believe that freedom is our birthright and no force on this earth could change their spirit. So, the clear message of this speech: united we stand, divided we fall. एक हो जाए तो बन सकते हैं खुर्शीद व मुबीन, एक हो जाए तो बन सकते हैं खुर्शीद व मुबीन, वरना इन बिखरे हुए तारों से क्या काम बने। अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू।